Hello, Gourd friends! How would you like to improve your Gourd pyrography and enhance it with mixed media, all while creating an impressive piece of Gourd art? My new online course, Blue Morpho Butterfly, is designed to do just that. This is a go at your own pace course, and it's suitable for all levels, even beginners, as I will demonstrate how I achieve clean, consistent lines and controlled shading. You will watch over my shoulder as I work and talk you through exactly what I'm doing so you can do it too. You can even leave comments, post photos of your progress, and ask me questions as you work through the course. I will provide you with a pattern as well as some instructions on freehand drawing so that you can customize your design. Once you complete your burning, we will layer mixed media to create the illusion of a lifelike, shimmering butterfly. You will find a link in the description to head on over to my online school, Gourd Studio Workshop, and sign up for a Blue Morpho Butterfly today. Well, until next time, happy gourding.